On the grind, stack and flip. On that model baby shit. Okay? I'm on that model baby shit. On that grind, stack and flip.
What's good, model babies? Welcome back to my channel where growth is promoted, success is supported, and love is encouraged. Don't come for me in my wig braids right now because I'm gonna get right. I'm gonna do this wig install, but first off, I just want to say we almost at 3K subs. So if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now because you don't want to miss out on any future uploads. But anyways, today, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be showing y'all how I make my synthetic wigs look like, feel me? Make my wigs look like that because, yeah. But anyway, so I'm going to show y'all how I'm going to do this synthetic wig install. So yeah, let's go. So first things first, I'm going to start off by slicking my edges back because we're not going to have our edges getting pulled off by no wigs. That's one thing that's not going to happen. So I'm going to slick them edges back. And I'm using the Braiders BTL Dry Defense gel. It works good for me, so I'm just put on my edges and slick it back.
No. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth, we done hiding. That's just the way.
I also like to go in with some Dr. B glue just because I feel like it holds my edges down way better, like underneath the wig, so we can add that as well.
To everybody else, it will just show me that. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad.
So now I'm just gonna use some alcohol, spray on these little pantyhose, stocking cap, whatever, and wipe around my edges so that all the products I use can stick. Here's the brand that I'm using. It's a 30-inch soft body wig. I like this wig because it's stretchy on the inside and it's not like one of those like heavy wigs, you know, like this is really light. And although it is a little bit nappy and tangled up right now, we're gonna get that right. The lace is pretty good. I mean, it's not too bad. Yeah, the lace is pretty good. I could definitely work with that because I've worked with it. I'm just a little bit concerned about these edges because you see this, like, what am I gonna do with that? I have to make that look real, get this wig done.
But I love when we make up like that.
I'm gonna outline it with this. Got to be glue.
Yeah, baby, we just sound like that.
Then I'm gonna spray some of this Wonder Lace Bond onto the same part I just put the Dr. B glue on. Now we blow dry that. Now I'm gonna go in with this Ghost Bond glue and put it, like, outline my hairline pretty much with it.
Going touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barbados.
Just a little thin layer though. Blow dry it.
You wish I was no pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was.
You always want to make sure your ball cap is completely dry before you go to cutting. For the record, this is not usually how I lay my ball caps down, but this is how I'm doing it today. Because I ain't even, y'all see, I ain't even put it on my ears or nothing. It's just a simple little wig install that we're gonna do because I never keep synthetic wigs on. Really be itchy to me.
Round in it, lost on that. This diamond, my diamond.
I like to use this. I don't even know what this is because I had it for so long. It's called Ebin Forever Ultimate Glue. I use this all the time just to lay down a little cap that still shows after it, and it works good. The gel comes out clear.
Looks so good tonight. Goddamn, say yeah. Looks so good tonight.
Blow dry this on cool heat, cool air. Not heat.
That's good. And I wouldn't change it if I could.
And while I let that dry a little bit more, I'm just gonna comb the wig out so that when I put the wig on my head, I don't have to do too much detangling. I did not pluck this lace, by the way. I did not pluck, and I'm not going to. So I'm just gonna comb it for now. That's it. I'm probably gonna straighten it, so I'm not gonna add any products to it just yet.
It's so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn.
So it's all combed out now. All combed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the makeup that I use to my cap because you still can see my hair because the stocking caps I use are so thick. So I like to use this lighter one for like this part right here on my hair, and then I go in with my actual shade around like this part right here. So let's do that. And I'm using the L'Oreal True Match. I love this. It's probably my favorite makeup brand that I've used, or favorite makeup product. And I don't even know much about makeup for real, but I love this because it really matches me all the time.
I never had nobody do me like that.
I added makeup. I'm gonna spray some Dr. B glue. Then I'm gonna dry it on cool ear. And now that that's done and my cap is blended, I'm gonna put the wig on really quick and place it just to see like where I'm gonna start adding the glue.
When you ride, when you call, when you come, your love is amazing to me. I can't wait till I see it. I wanna be with you again. And every time you're out on the road, I'll make a trip. And whenever I'm doing a show, don't you forget that I'm your main chick. Who got that game chick? One and the same chick, the one you can hang with. Feelings, so deep in the feelings. Noticing you like me, you control my anxiety. Feeling like I'm touching the ceiling. When I'm with you, I can't breathe. Boy, you do something to
Going in with the second layer. Third layer.
Show me all the things that you don't show me in the special way I feel. When you hold me, we gon' always be together, baby. That's what you told me, and I believe it. 'Cause I ain't never had nobody do me like you.
I ain't never had nobody show me all the things that you done show me in the special way I feel. When you hold me, we gon' always be together, baby. That's what
Now it's time for the wig placement.
never had nobody do me like you.
Head over heels in love, right in front of you, ain't gotta look no more, baby. I wanna build this love, and everything you own, you ain't gotta ask for. You got me boot up, boot up.
I'm gonna take my comb and just smush it into my hair.
Got me boot up, boot up, boot up, boot up. Grab me by the waist, baby, pull me closer.
I'm gonna definitely have to work some magic with this ugly shit. I have faith in myself though. I can do it. This shit is too fake for me. Okay, gonna use this stocking cap to wrap my legs and melt it. While we're melting the lace, I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten this and comb this. Yeah, this definitely needs to be straightened because, yeah, what the fuck is this? Like, this shit was false advertisement.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world.
now we're gonna straighten this. I can't wait to lay down this middle that's just like lumped up right here. That shit ugly.
Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything. No one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're.
I'm gonna start cutting this here. It's snappy again. This is why I don't use synthetic here. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut it though. Using this little tool I got right here to cut it.
Take a walk with me, walk with me. Yeah, everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. It's been so long to have this feeling that we could be everything you've ever wanted in your fantasy. I won't push too hard to break your heart, cause my love's sincere. I'm not like any other girl, you know. So let me erase your fears.
So now that I cut the hair some, it does look a whole lot better. Here's how much hair I cut. A whole bunch. But yeah. Now I'm gonna take this edge wrap off and we're gonna cut the wig.
Me your girl, oh, if it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, baby. Everything that you need, I got it right here.
So I'm using this stick and some black glue, firm wax spray.
Your girl, baby.
We're just gonna pray for the best at this point because
Come share my world. Something that you want, take a walk with me,
so I gotta give myself some edges.
So just call me whenever you're.
So I'm going to spray this wig or spray the hair on this wig with this, what is it called? Control Wig Spray 3-in-1 formula for human and synthetic hair. This is how it looks like and this is what I'm using. I'm also going to use some spritz because I usually use just spritz and this right here. So we're going to see. What I like to do is spray it into the brush so that I'm not putting too much onto the hair. So I'm just spraying some spritz onto this brush and some of this Argan Oil Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Mist. Then I'm going to spray a couple sprays of this. Start from the bottom. I just find that this makes the hair, well, the synthetic hair way softer than what it is. And then you can just keep spraying more as much as you need. This is definitely a synthetic wig hack though. But I will say that this was definitely a trust the process type wig.
See, I gave you faith, turned you down in a whole bit.
So I'm gonna add just a little bit of this Evan Curl and Twist Foam and Lotion Wrap and Shine on top of my wig. Not too much because it is synthetic. Then I'm gonna just, once I see that it's dry, go ahead and hot comb it slightly. Because like I said, the wig is synthetic. I want to fry it. Okay, y'all, so the last thing I do to my wigs, I like to go in with the lighter colors. Believe it or not, like this really does make the biggest difference. So now I'm gonna give you a little 360 or whatever. Here's the front, pretty flat, pretty looks good. In the back. It's not like too stiff, but it's a little, yeah. Alright y'all, so that is the end of this video. The hair came out pretty good, as you guys can see. I definitely did have to turn this wig around because the wig was not giving anything at all at first. But we did turn it around and we got it nice and laid. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Got that nice and laid. It's a little need to be combed out, but yeah, that's synthetic wigs for you. Anyways, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys want to see more wig tutorials or any more hair videos, any kind of videos, let me know in the comments and I got y'all. So I'll see you on the next video. Love y'all. Be sure to subscribe.